Jenny and I've been with my partner Kate for 7 years. We started talking about children soon after we moved in together. Family is really important to us. We started looking into fostering and decided to apply to become foster carers. We both had a good background in our jobs. I'm a support worker for children with disabilities and Kate is a housing officer, so we felt like we had the experience of helping children from all different backgrounds. Kate's mum is a foster carer for Blaenau, Gwent too, and she recommended that we foster through them. If you need any help, they're always there to support you or give advice. The team are fantastic. When we first started fostering, the training was really useful for us. The idea of fostering can be quite overwhelming, but hearing real stories from other foster carers was really helpful. It's been a 4-year whirlwind, but we wouldn't have had it any other way. We've fostered more than 10 children now, from toddlers to teenagers to brothers and sisters. We foster children who've had a really tough journey, and we mainly do short-term fostering. At the moment, we're looking after Lily, who's 16 and exploring what she wants to do in college at the moment. She loves the outdoors too, so we often go for walks in the evenings and weekends, which we all really enjoy. We also have a little brother and sister who live with their grandparents but stay with us sometimes on weekends to give their grandparents a break. We've got quite close over the years with their grandparents. It's becoming like one big extended family. Although we've been fostering for a while now, we still need support ourselves. We're part of our local foster care association group, and we go to consultation and support groups when we can. We've also met different foster carers. It's great to know that they have your back and are going through the same things too. I like to think that we're making a difference. The biggest thing we try to do is give these kids a chance to just be children. We want to give them a positive start in life with all the love and affection they need.